Hey guys, day 2 inside. I'll show you a couple other parts here. I'm going to try and make it a little more truck heavy. Enjoy. These are for sure the trailer queens. Now that's some purple flake. Yeah. You want to be in it?
I can.
What do you got?
Know?
Oh, is this yours?
I fixed it.
You guys built it? Tell us a little bit about it. Yeah. What's your company?
Elite Restoration,
Yeah.
Danville, Virginia.
And you guys build trucks. So what's your specialty within that?
We do it all. Anything you want.
Yeah. Purple flake on a truck.
Yeah, I've done that.
Heck yeah. And you guys got Instagram and stuff, or?
We don't have Instagram. We do have Facebook.
Facebook. All right, cool. Well, if you guys like the truck, hit them up. And you guys can check this out on. There you go. You guys can check this video out on social media. I usually post it on Facebook first, and then later on I put it on YouTube and stuff. But have a good one, man. See ya. Walking the wrong direction for these. You know, there's a lot of people here, but I'll be honest with you, there's like enough room where you can just get through pretty well, you know? It doesn't seem to be too crowded as you thought it would be, you know? What up? How you doing? What's up, man? Yeah.
Good to see you.
Yeah, you too. Have you guys been by the booth?
Not yet.
Okay, we're over by the, if you guys want to swing by and just say hi or whatever, we're over by, I think it's like by the Ford Big Rig, and you'll see the American flag tents. We're kind of right in front of them.
All right,
see you. Ford F100 World member. Woo! Fix your hair. I get that a lot. Are you guys members? Ford F100 World members? Or are you just making fun of a random guy?
Well, I think I've seen you. You got videos on YouTube?
Yeah,
like
but
Explorer, Rip Spring.
Yeah, that's you. Cool. You seen that, huh?
Appreciate the video.
Yeah, man. Have a good one. Here, check out some of the other social media stuff too. Post your truck on it, okay? See ya. Springfield, Missouri. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi. So what do you do?
Ford F100 World. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. You have a good one. You know this truck.
Run away.
Run away! Camera! Hold on, guys. We gotta swing by Outcast Auto Works right here. What's up? How you doing, man?
It's the man himself.
Just wave at the group, buddy.
I will. How are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna post it, so yeah. It's like we're live.
It'll be good.
So yeah, no editing on this one.
Live.
Hey, you guys know this guy, no? Well, you're not wearing your shirt. You're usually wearing your brand.
Because they made me put this one on.
Tell them, announce yourself, man.
I'm Andrew Peterson.
And what's your specialty?
F100s.
F100s? You do suspension and
I
everything?
do, yeah, Crown Vic.
Yeah. Tell them how to find you.
F100performance.com
There
or
it is.
AndrewChingperformance.com takes you to the same place.
And you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, if you go to performanceproduction.com.
Okay, cool.
Well, not .com. I'm just saying .com. But
He,
Performance Production YouTube channel.
He does pretty cool stuff with some of that rear Mustangs, you know, independent suspension and stuff, right?
all the S550
There
stuff.
you go.
Crown Vic front.
There you go. Check them out, guys. Cool. Well, look at some of this stuff. Am I allowed to be back here, sir? So if you look at their shirts, that right there, yeah, let me get a good look at your shirt. A couple of us got together, get a little sponsorship on having just a little get together at, I think, what's the name of the restaurant again?
Hard Rock.
Hard Rock. I'm always like Rock and Roll Cafe. That's not Hard Rock Cafe. Yeah, pretty much.
Rock Cafe.
And we're just gonna have a nice hangout in the cool Tennessee night weather, so it'll be fun. So if you guys are out here, or if you guys are planning to go next year, maybe even the next show here in September, give it a look. I have a feeling we're gonna do this again. So. Well, I said I'd end with KC, but that'll be next, okay? This video's getting long, but I do want to talk to this guy, man. Hey! What's up? Outcast Auto Works. Everybody knows if anyone did anything in the last, how many years you been going? 5 years, and especially with Crown Vics in the beginning, they probably know your name, but for those who don't, who am I got a camera in the face here?
I'm Kyle Howard.
It's Outcast Auto Works, right?
Yeah, with Outcast Auto
Where's
Works.
your sunglasses at?
Good question. I had those last year. Oh, there they are.
Really? Woo! There you go. You gotta look cool, yeah. Well, tell us a little bit about what you're producing. Let's say what you started with, where you at, and then what's coming. Like, what would you bring this year that's a little bit more special?
You know what? I brought nothing new this year because I ran out of time. I
Yeah.
have a whole bunch of new stuff sitting at the shop, 3/4 done. C-notch kits,
Yeah.
Godzilla mounts for Crown Vic. Just trying to keep up with some of the newer motors and newer
Nice.
platforms, but yeah, still the same thing. Just trying to make these swaps easier, faster, more convenient, less fab work for everybody at home. You know, backyard builders and stuff like that.
And you guys started with the engine, I can't remember, Crown Vic for certain engine FE things is what you did, engine mounts, right? Is that where you guys started?
Yeah. We started with I actually started small block mounts, then went to big block, you know, some of the common Ford motors and stuff. But then went into newer, later Coyote, some mod motor mounts, and then went into installation parts. That's where, you know.
What I like about this guy is that he started making something for himself.
Right.
And people started contacting you and say, can you make it for me? So this is a good example of just somebody who had a need, made it for himself, found a need for some of the other guys out on the social media outlets of all kind, and he's making a business out of it, man, living the dream. That's cool.
It's all Facebook.
Yeah.
100%.
How big do you think the F100 takeover is going to be?
I always underestimate everything.
Me too.
I thought it was going to be about 10 trucks or so.
Yeah.
but,
It's
you know,
going to be more.
I think so.
A lot more,
It seems
so.
like a lot of people know about it. And I'm pretty excited.
They got out there really well, so people took off. And,
I guess we got the right place, the right time.
Yeah,
I'm excited.
Sounds good. Yeah, this guy was kind of you and Huey were the runner-ups of really getting this going, right? You guys did too, and then I think I came in, and then I think Andrews. Did Andrew sponsor it in and stuff like that?
Yeah, a bunch of other small shop, big shop.
shop,
You know, we
big
got
shop.
Fat Tender, KC in there, and then we got Solus. I actually just met them through this, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
But yeah, Huey did the racetrack last year.
Yep.
And then I think you were over there. Right?
Yep.
And I hit him up before the show this year. It'd be cool to do. Actually, like official meet.
Huey over there. Yep. Hey, wave, Huey. Well, that's cool, man.
Yeah, we had like a week to put it together. So.
Yeah, you did a great job, and the shirts came. You really did great on the shirts. I don't know how much of that is anybody else. Yeah, there you go. Look at all the sponsors. There's one. I like that one right there. That's cool, man. Thank you for letting me be a part of it and everything. I mean, I know it was just sort of an extension of what Huey did last year maybe, and you just sort of put your own spin on it. We really teamed up together, and you and Huey did, so that was cool, man.
I'm excited to get out of here.
Yes.
Go hang out with everybody, see some trucks.
I feel like why you would go to that is it's going to be a little more chill, a little more hangout, and it's going to be a cool night. It's going to get dark, you know. How long do you think it's going to last?
I don't know. I know we started at 6:30. They didn't really give us an end time. I would assume it would be probably around 11 or so.
11, perfect. Yeah.
And we got a VIT section. I don't know if you talked about that.
Really? No.
Yeah, it's a very important truck. And so we're going to go out here in a little bit. Pick, I think, the last 6 or so out of 20.
Yeah.
We have them lined up, ready to meet us there. And
That's cool.
I'm excited for
You
it
think
all.
KC's going to show up? Because I know he's a sponsor, but he's a busy man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you think?
Supposed to be.
Yeah, he might swing by, say hi.
Better be.
Ah.
And everyone else.
Yeah, all right. I'll be there. I'll be there. I ain't no KC. None of us are. But yeah, it
We
seems
love
like.
you,
Yeah. Thanks, man. Yeah. There's a lot of F100 just truck loving guys hanging out and girls at this show as well as the next. So come on out, and I'm gonna end it here, guys. If you're here, come on out and come by the booths. See ya. Friendly family thing.